Hello once again, welcome to Heart with Info. So right now we're for inside the SAPELE region we just did so we come here now come check out this environment. See how this area be because right now they will do repair work for inside this place. And we see I say this environment now, especially this side now see now here like many cars they pass just to avoid go slow when dey for inside the SAPELE road because right now hold up don dey inside SAPELE road. This side e suppose be two lane but drivers don dey overtake each other so here come dey on a deadlock right now because the authorities dey repair this road. We don fit check out this particular side but we come back now make we check out the progress report for inside this road. So I wan say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this is your first time wey you dey come Heartbeat Info, I wan say a big welcome to you. And if you don come before, I wan say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now we dey for inside the SAPELE road wey we just dey so say make we check out this SAPELE road, make we see how this environment be and the construction work wey dem dey do because right now dem dey construct this road. They wan tar this road and also do the drainage system make e dey more efficient. So I wan say a big thank you to you wey dey watch Heartbeat Info. Thank you very much to you dey support me financially and also God go bless you. Thank you very much. And you dey give us advice on how to work out for inside this our great city. I wan say thank you very much. So we dey see this place now say they don dig the gutter for inside here and e dey very deep e dey very deep. They don finish the gutter for inside this side. So you see am say this place now say this side now cars no suppose dey pass here but all these bus drivers dem dey like bypass the road so that dem fit pass the corner road wey dey for this corner. Dem go come out for Ajip environment, so that's why they dey pass here now. And we come see this place now say they don already dig this gutter, they don already do am finish. So immediately they finish this place, so I say they go clean the gutter and make the place dey very good. So they hope say before the rainy season starts, say they go truly finish this road. So here one just dey so na im be the SAPELE road na im we just dey so close to the Winners Church. Here na close to the Winners Church and we see am say at least this place now say they dey work heavily for inside this environment. So if you know any area where they still dey do some repair work for inside Benin, because right now we dey get to see say the authorities dey do many repair work for inside Benin, especially road, especially the adjoining road wey people no too know but they dey work on those roads. So know any road like that, just type am for our comments so that we'll try see go that environment. We dey for SAPELE road right now. Now say the drivers now say they don't block this road. Guys, the thing I say the drivers now they block this road because of lack of patience about this place. But with the hope say they will finish this thing quickly. But at least we can say they will work for inside this environment. So at this point now, the road they call it divert. They go the other side. Now this junction now, they come for the divert because of the go slow when they flow inside here. We dey for SAPELE road because we dey for the winners junction environment we dey see so here na the winners junction environment. We dey see am say they dey work heavily for inside this place. Let me say before today finish now, at first they don lay this part now. They go just quota this place because I don't understand how they still dey work for here now. As they lay this one, they will put stones or something. Then they will come leave am make e dry. Then do the other side. Na so e be. So I don't really dey understand them now because the first time we first come here before, they never even reach this side. So now the same principles now they dey use for inside this. So you see the heavy machineries wey dem dey use for inside this place. So the hope say they go finish this work before the rainy season go start. That's the prayer wey we dey pray say before rainy season go start, make dem finish this work wey dem dey do.
Essa de maluco.
We will see it for inside the SAPELE road. You see, I say this side now, it don't block this side though. So that other side now, see it don't now there cars dey pass. So you remember, you will imagine the kind go slow wey go dey for inside here. You go imagine the kind go slow wey go dey for inside this environment. So stay for inside the SAPELE road we dey for this side of the SAPELE road wey dem dey make some repair. So we dey get to see lot of repair work for inside this our great city, Benin City. We get to see lot of work wey the authorities dey do for inside Benin right now. We dey see lot of repair work for inside Benin right now. So you just this side now, they don't finish this side. If we go front now, you shall say they don't finish the other side of the road. So it come like say they do am step by step. But we dey hope say make dem hurry do this work because it come like say rainy season now it go soon start for inside Benin because we don dey get the sign already. The weather now rain fit just fall anytime the rain like. So the hope say they go quick finish this thing before the rainy season go truly start. So you see, I say this side now, say they don't finish, they don't do this second part now. So now this small tiny parts now, na come remain now. When that this small tiny parts na come remain now for inside this area now. So the thing dey very nice say we dey get to see say they don dey work for inside this our great city, Benin City. But me I know say with time many areas they go touch many areas. So you dey see the gutters now. All these bus wey dey pass this place here, the bus people pass here but they just dey try to maneuver because of the traffic wey dey for inside this environment, because of the traffic. And we see say they don finish the gutter and this part of the road now. See, you don't finish this part of the road now. So you see, that's it. That's it. See, you don't finish this part. So hopefully they will quickly do the road before the rainy season will start. At this point now, na the for divert, na the cars for start to divert this place now, na dey block. So very soon I will come to the end of this video. So I want to say a big thank you to you, the watcher beautiful. Thank you very much to you to support me financially. I want to say God bless you. So thank you very much. If you give us advice on how to work out for inside this our great city, Benin City, I want to thank you very, very much. Until we meet again on another walk, have a blessed day and also remain blessed. Thank you very, very much.